I think I have Dippy eggs at least 2 to 3 times a week. It's so easy to do, and of course it tastes delicious. What makes a Dippy egg good is using really good quality free-range eggs so you can taste the yolk. The yolk needs to taste almost like cheese. It's that runny. Now I've brought my eggs out of the fridge about 1 to 2 hours ago so they're not too cold. If they're too cold, they're going to crack in the water. So carefully place them in so they don't break. Give that a bit of a swirl, and that'll take 4 minutes. So I've got plenty of time to do my toast, which is what we're going to dip into our Dippy eggs. Of course, you can just do the classic buttered toast, but I'll tell you what, Vegemite and avocado soldiers are delicious. Some good old veggie for the saltiness, and we'll lather both sides of the toast. Then some smashed avocado. Don't overfill it because it needs to be sandwiched and dipped into the egg. So a little bit of avo, and then with a sharp knife we're going to take off the edges. And now we'll make little soldiers. Our eggs are ready to go. With a slotted spoon, we'll take them out. And then eggs go into our egg holder, and you really can't get a simpler breakfast. This is child's play, but I tell you what, it's delicious. I'm going to take the tops off, both of the eggs, just breaking into it. Oh, see that yolk? That makes me smile. Every morning I have this brekkie. Grab a little avo and veggie soldier and then dunk it in. Oh, that is yummy yolk. I love this breakfast. I don't care how simple it is. Breakfast done in 4 minutes, that's how it should be. Yummo, perfect flavour combination.